What is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language, and it is a programming language used to manage and manipulate relational databases. What is a database? A database is a collection of related data stored in a computer system in a structured format. What is a table? A table is a collection of related data organized in rows and columns. What is a primary key? A primary key is a unique identifier for a record in a table. What is a foreign key? A foreign key is a field in one table that refers to the primary key in another table. What is a join? A join is a query that combines rows from two or more tables based on a related column. What is a view? A view is a virtual table created by a query. What is normalization? Normalization is the process of organizing data in a database to reduce redundancy and improve data integrity. What is denormalization? Denormalization is the process of adding redundant data to a database to improve performance. What is a trigger? A trigger is a set of SQL statements that are automatically executed in response to certain events in a database. What is an index? An index is a data structure that improves the speed of data retrieval operations on a database table. What is a subquery? A subquery is a query within another query. What is a stored procedure? A stored procedure is a set of SQL statements stored in a database and executed as a single unit. What is a cursor? A cursor is a database object used to manipulate data row by row. What is a transaction? A transaction is a sequence of operations that are executed as a single unit of work. What is a commit? A commit is a SQL statement that ends a transaction and saves the changes made during the transaction. What is a rollback? A rollback is a SQL statement that cancels the changes made during a transaction and restores the database to its previous state. What is a database schema? A database schema is a logical container for database objects such as tables, views, indexes, and stored procedures. What is a constraint? A constraint is a rule that restricts the values that can be inserted, updated, or deleted from a table. What is the difference between a clustered and non-clustered index? A clustered index determines the physical order of data in a table, while a non-clustered index does not. What is a self-join? A self-join is a join where a table is joined with itself. What is a union? A union is a set operation that combines the results of two or more queries into a single result set. What is a group by clause? A group by clause is used to group rows based on one or more columns and then perform aggregate functions on the grouped data. What is a having clause? A having clause is used to filter the results of a group by query based on a condition. What is the difference between an inner and outer join? An inner join returns only the rows that have matching values in both tables, while an outer join returns all rows from one table and matching rows from the other table.